recipe for today. Some cigaree chicken, guys. The recipe a nice, eatable, tastable. See Irish with carrot. You can see plantain dumpling, see chicken there. Yes, peeps, another update on chicken. Just simmer down there. Remember, cigaree, stewed chicken. The recipe a eatable, tastable, delicious. Yes, my peeps, I'm going to show the quality presentation of the pot. The recipe nice, eatable, tastable. Lock it back now. See dumpling and yam there, and some carrot and plantain, green plantain. So I'm going to stir it up. You can see boiled carrot, see plantain, and see dumpling right here, peeps. Yeah, the recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Peeps, eat and belly full. Another update. See gravy, I go down on the peeps and most of the recipe kind of ready and now. Another update to the food pot, don't cook and thing there. Yes, my peeps. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share. See recipe that done. See then at the plate presentation and thing, my peeps here. You can see it more better. See dumpling, Irish, chicken and plantain and the